Hello, welcome to training for the contractor approval workflow within the EPI system. My name is David Brizzi. In this training module, I will be reviewing the following topics as a DUA requester. Requesting the EPI DUA requester role, which includes attestation, and initial DUA reassignment. To begin, you will need to log into the enterprise portal using valid EIDM credentials. Enter your username and password. Select your MFA device and its security code. Select the Agree to our Terms and Conditions checkbox and select the Login button. Select the EPI application tile from the My Portal screen, then select Application. Take note that all required fields in the EPI application are indicated with a red asterisk. The EPI First Time User Welcome screen displays. Select the Request Access link to start the role selection process. Enter your organization name in the organization name field. And select the correct value from the drop-down menu. If the organization does not show in the drop-down, select the Cannot Locate Your Organization link to submit a new organization. These requests are routed to the EPI administrators. Select the DUA requester role from the role drop-down. Select the Add button. The attestation pop-up displays with a message that reads, "Agreeing to this statement confirms that I have completed the mandatory training for the role that I'm requesting, as specified on the EPI webpage," and includes a link to the EPI webpage on cms.gov. Select the I agree checkbox and the next button to complete the attestation. The selected role now displays in the table. Repeat these steps if you need to request any additional roles for this organization or any other organizations. You will be asked the same attestation question for each DUA requester role selected during the first time user process. Select Submit when you are done. The EPI role request submission acknowledgement displays the message, "Your organization role request has been submitted for approval." The EPI administrators will approve your request. You will receive an email from the system upon determination of your role request. Select the Exit button. Once you receive the email notifying you that your DUA requester role has been approved, return to the Enterprise Portal login screen and log in again. Select the EPI application tile from the My Portal screen, then select Application. Upon your initial login to the EPI system as a DUA requester, a list of DUAs created by the DUA management team for that requester are displayed. Please note that this table of DUAs will display upon each login until you take ownership of them. Additionally, you will not be able to create, update, extend, or close any DUAs until you take ownership of the listed DUAs in the table. Select the I agree checkbox and the Accept button to take ownership of the listed DUAs. The DUAs now move into the DUA requester's respective queues based on their status. You should now have the ability to create, update, extend, and close existing contractor DUAs for your organizations. This concludes this training module. If you have any questions, please contact the EPI Help Desk at 844-EPI-DUA or 844-377-3382 or via email at epi@cms.hhs.gov. They are available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.